Hello, welcome to the Indian Cook Talk. No need to purchase the burgers outside, as we can prepare them in home in a very quick and simple way. So here is one such type of vegetable burger with sweet corn and lot of veggies. By following some tips, we can prepare the burgers in home in a very hygiene manner so that we can preserve our health and our money too. So without any delay, just look into our very easy, simple and quick burger recipe. For preparing a patty, first take 1 cup of sweet corns. No need to boil the sweet corns. So I am adding the sweet corns into a mixer jar and making them into a coarse paste. Now I am adding the coarse paste into the bowl and half a cup of grated carrot, 2 tablespoons of chopped capsicum, 2 tablespoons of chopped onions and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped French beans and a quarter spoon of finely chopped ginger, chopped coriander and mint each 1 tablespoon. And now we add the spices. Quarter spoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder, half spoon of garam masala and salt as per the taste. And also here we have to add 2 large size boiled potatoes. The potatoes were boiled and also smashed. So now mix all of them thoroughly. As all these vegetables tend to release some moisture, we are adding some flours to balance the moisture level. So here we have to add 4 tablespoons of besan flour and 4 tablespoons of maida and 4 tablespoons of rice flour. If breadcrumbs are available to you, you can add the breadcrumbs. So by adding the breadcrumbs, the patties will become more crunchy. And mix all ingredients thoroughly and make sure it's not going to be very hot or very soft. The dough should be like this, like a vada batter. And make patties with this batter and deep fry the patties. Here with the same batter, we can prepare some veg lollipops. So for lollipops, we have to take a small ball of this batter and insert a toothpick in the middle of the ball and carefully place it in boiling oil. In the same way, make the remaining lollipops. And deep fry these lollipops by placing the flame on low. So here we are making the 2 food varieties by using a single batter. These lollipops are very tasty and children will going to love these lollipops. When these lollipops are turning into golden brown color, we can turn off the flame and take out these lollipops. In the same oil, we can fry our patties. Here I made the patties and deep fried these patties also in a low flame. When these patties are turning into golden brown color, we can switch off the flame and take out these patties. When the patties are done, we can go into our burger preparation. First, take a burger bread and cut the bread into 2 pieces. We are going to fry this bread on tawa by adding butter. When the butter is melting, we have to add our bread pieces and fry them until they turn into golden brown color, so that our burger will be very tastier. Here I am not using lettuce, here I am using cabbage. Place some cabbage leaves and also tomatoes and onions. On these onions we have to add salt and pepper. By adding salt and pepper, this will turn into very delicious way. And add sauces according to your taste and according to your availability. Here I am using tomato sauce. If mayonnaise is available to you, you can add that one also. So here I am using only sauce. After that I am adding the patty. And finally we can close it with our bread. That's it. Our very tasty, easy and simple vegetable burger is ready to taste. And follow the same process for the remaining burgers also. But don't forget to add pepper and salt on onions and tomato. This will give a wonderful flavor to our burger. So finally our burgers got ready in a very less time with very less ingredients and in a very hygiene and healthy manner. And in the same time we prepared our veg lollipops too. We can serve the lollipops hot with tomato sauce. So I think you like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please like the video, share the video, and also subscribe to the Indian Cooktop. And also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.